Welcome to Card Corner. Today I've got something a little bit different. It's these backpack buddies. Got these at Dollarama. They, I guess, are these blind bags. I got a couple of the Zelda ones, Mario Kart, and Animal Crossing. I got two Zelda ones just because I thought it was pretty cool how it's like themed. It's the Wind Waker, which I wouldn't expect to find in 2024. Seeing as that game's pretty old, but I'm a fan of Wind Waker. I guess I hope that we get Link or Ganondorf. They're a little expensive. I probably wouldn't have gotten them just for me, but to show you guys that that's worth it to me. Let's check this one out. It's all wrapped up, and we get a shield. I think this one's kind of... I don't love this one. It's just like a sticker on it. On the back it kind of looks like it should have a bit more depth and texture, but I guess that's how it goes. Alright, next let's do this Mario Kart one. I think I prefer... the one I want to get is Yoshi or Bowser. Alright. And we get, it is Donkey Kong. Yeah, there he is. I definitely like this guy better than the shield that I just opened. Eyes are a little weird, but that's okay. And then last, I'm going to open up this Animal Crossing one. I think that my preference would be to get KK Slider, although Tom Nook is fine too, or the Library Owl. I did play Animal Crossing on Switch and GameCube, although for me it kind of gets old after a while. And we get Isabelle. Isabelle from Animal Crossing and Super Smash Brothers. Alright. One more chance at that Ganondorf or Link. Wish me luck, guys. Oh, and we get... nice. It is Ganondorf. I think I'm definitely going to put that one on my backpack. If you want to trade for one of the other ones, the information on how to do that is on the About page of my YouTube channel. This game, this Wind Waker game, I remember when it came out, everybody thought that the graphics just looked too kiddie. We were expecting it to be like an adult Link. And they actually teased us with this video where it was like a more realistic Link fighting Ganondorf with the GameCube like technology. And so we were all so super stoked for that. And then they showed us this and everyone was like, what the hell? But I think that the graphical style is very unique and it makes it so it doesn't look as dated when you look back at it. Like, they did a very good job at picking a style that suited the technology very well. So I think that they actually did remake it, but it's one of the games that I'd like them to remake on the Switch just because, well, they remade it for Wii U, and I didn't own that console. All right, let me know what you guys thought of these backpack buddies. Which one was your favorite? I gotta go with Ganondorf, but let me know. Anyway, this was Card Corner opening some backpack buddies. Take it easy.